Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? Hope you are doing fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our online platform NIEVS Home School. I am Muhammad Abul Kalam, an assistant teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Today I am going to conduct a social science class for the students of class 2. Our today's topic is MCQ. I repeat, our today's topic is MCQ. Dear students, social science is an interesting subject. I hope all of you will enjoy this class very much. Now, you will look at both. Here you will see there are three pictures. 1, 2, 3. Today, with the help of these three pictures, I will take your MCQ classes. I repeat again, today with the help of these three pictures, I will take your MCQ class. Now, we will go to MCQ. Look at the first one, MCQ. Environment is of dash kinds. Option 2, 3, 4. From our social science book, we have learned that environment is of two kinds. One is social environment, another one is natural environment. Now, we have got the answer that option A, 2 is the correct answer. Now, MCQ number 2. Which one is an example of natural environment? Option river, school, temple. We know that natural environment represents the things which are made of nature. The examples of natural environments are, look at the picture number 1, you will understand it very easily. We see trees, rivers, birds. These are the example of natural environment. So, I am telling you again, look at the option river, school, temple. This school and temple are the example of social environment. Only river is left. So, river is the example of natural environment. River is the correct answer. Now, MCQ number 3. Which one is an example of social environment? Option 3. Trees, school, river. We know that social environment represent the things which are made of human being. The examples of social environments are school, college, road, mosques, temples. Now look at the option trees, school, rivers. We all know that trees and rivers, these are the example of natural environment, only school is left. So school is an example of social environment. Now MCQ number 4, the sunlight is the part of dash. Option environment, society, home. We all know the answer that the sunlight is the part of environment and it is an example of natural environment. Now MCQ number 5, dash is the best place to live. Option hotel, school, home. We all know that home is the safest place to live. So option number C, home is the correct answer. Now 6, who had more facilities? Option East Pakistan, West Pakistan, Bangladesh. We all know that Pakistan was born in 1947 with two wings. One is East Pakistan, another one is West Pakistan. From 1947 to 1971, before Liberation War, we know that West Pakistan enjoyed more facilities. Now we have got the answer that West Pakistan enjoyed more facilities. 7 number. How long was the freedom fight last? Option 9 months, 12 months, 15 months. Actually this question is related to our Liberation War. We all know that our Liberation War last 9 months. So option A, 9 months is the correct answer. Now MCQ number 8. Which is the closest planet to the sun? Earth, Mercury, Venus. Listen, whenever we will go to answer the MCQ number 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, we need to look at the picture number 2. Look at the picture number 2. This is about solar system. This picture will help us very much to answer the question number 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. We all know that solar system is the sun and all the planets circle it. Look at the picture for your better understanding. Here sun is the center and all the 8 planets are moving around it. So look, which is the closest planet to the sun? Sun is here and Mercury is the closest. So B number option, Mercury, will be the correct answer. Question number 9. Which is the farthest planet from the sun? Option Uranus, Neptune, Saturn. Look at the picture, farthest. It is written here farthest planet. So look, which one is the farthest? Neptune is the farthest from the sun. So answer B will be the correct answer. Now MCQ number 10. Which planet is often described as a red planet? Option Mars, Venus, Saturn. Look at the picture. Here Mars. It is described here as the red planet. So option number B will be the correct answer. 11 number question. Which is the densest planet in the solar system? Option Jupiter, Earth, Uranus. Look at the picture. It is seen that Earth is the densest planet in the solar system. So option number B, Earth, will be the correct answer. 12 number. Which planet has ice caps of yellow acid? Option Mars, Mercury, Venus. Look at picture. Look at picture. In the Mercury we see the ice caps of yellow acid. So option number B, Mercury, will be the correct answer. Now question number 13. When Petra was designated a World Heritage Site? Option in 1980, in 1985, in 1995. We all know that Petra is a historical place. It is located in Jordan. It has been a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1985. So look at option number B, in 1985. It will be very interesting if you look at the picture. This picture is about the Petra civilization. Now 14 number MCQ. Machu Picchu is located in option Peru, Rabat, Cairo. We all know that Machu Picchu is located in Peru. It is one of the countries of Latin America and it is the familiar icons of Inca civilization. So option number A is the correct answer. Machu Picchu is located in Peru. Last MCQ, 15 number MCQ. Rose City is the another name of dash. Machu Picchu, Petra, Taj Mahal. We all know from our book page number 57 that Petra is the another name of Rose City. Now I am giving you tick for your better understanding. My dear students, I hope that all of you have enjoyed this class and understood the class very much. Read the text again and again. Keep practicing at home and abide by your parents' advice. See you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.